What's up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video breaking down the complex financial world for everyday people like me and you. Today, I'm giving my honest thoughts on the stock market, and I'm doing things a little bit differently this week. So I'm gonna just be honest with y'all on how I feel. But before we get there, I gotta show my appreciation to all the new first time people that have been here since day one. I appreciate y'all for watching. Just don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe, share it with a friend, and you'll see the magic that can happen when you do that. Now, the stock market, where it's at, how I'm feeling. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I was this close. I know I be saying long term. I was this close to selling everything. The beating that my portfolio took in profits, because that's what I'm talking about. I'm not in a complete loss. Although on my short-term portfolio, I'm in a small couple percentage loss. I'm sure many people can relate. Let me know down in the comments below what type of beating you took. How much percentages? Was it 5%? Was it 10%? And it's getting very confusing for me. How is Carnival can't even put a boat in the water with people, but they go up 5-10%, and then you got stocks like Apple, Tesla, and just good tech stocks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure even Google, Microsoft, all these good tech stocks losing value. But you got Carnival can't even put a boat in the water and they gain in value. So it's creating a bunch of confusion, and it's really starting to piss me off. And I don't know which one to pick. I'm invested in a handful of companies right now, especially in my short-term portfolio. And everything I'm investing in is going down. I think the only thing that I invested in that didn't go down was Vail Materials. They produce iron, nickel. So that's going to be here. That's good to know. But what I was pissed off about is gold. I'm just confused because stocks are down, Bitcoin down, gold down. Everything in the world is down. What do you put your money into? What are you investing your money into when everything is down? These other things are supposed to hedge against the market, not run with the market. Bitcoin isn't supposed to run with the stock market, and gold isn't supposed to run with the stock market. That's the whole point of me diversifying. But right now, everything's getting smashed, and it's really pissing me off. I don't even know what to do. It's actually very depressing. I just go out and spend more money because it's the only way I know how to battle against not selling everything, because that's the most important part right now. I don't want to sell. This is what they want us to do. They want the little sharks or the upcoming big sharks to sell everything. They want to put fear in the traders' minds, because then that gives them more of an opportunity to buy more in. Blah, blah, blah. They make more money down the road. And last time I was in the same situation, which would have been September 2020, when the market corrected about like 10%. Last time I was in the negative. I was losing money that I invested in. And I had really debated. I said, wow, I'm losing money right now. The plan was to make money, but I'm losing money. And I want to sell so that I don't continue to lose money. But what happened was patience. I stood by and I said, you know what? No. I'm going to stick this one out. And I know y'all probably wondering why I'm back to dressing up. And it's because when I was making my videos, I'm going to get back to that point. When I was making my videos dressed up like this, the market was at all-time highs. So I figured maybe if I just start dressing up again, I'll bring some good luck back into the system, hopefully. But yes, when I kept my patience and stuck to my strategy, my biggest thing right now, stick to your strategy. No matter what, stick to your strategy. Even if you change a little bit, stick to it. When I stuck to it, I got the highest profits that I had ever seen in my portfolio when I stuck to it. And that was like a month or two later. So I say all that to say this. Listen, this is a slaughterhouse that's taking place right now, and there's no telling whether it's going to continue or stop. There's no predicting. At this point, I have been telling y'all for weeks now that a market correction was coming. If you didn't take any profits off the table, shame on you. But it's not the end of the road. This doesn't mean that even if you're down 20%, you know, it doesn't mean it's the end of the road. I know I told somebody, shout out to her, I told somebody that I was willing to withstand a 20% loss and then I was going to sell everything. But as I'm getting closer, you know, as we're getting closer to these losses, because every week just bringing more down, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to stick it out. You got to hold. And it ain't a loss if you keep holding. It's not a loss if you keep holding. Because down the road, the anticipation is that it's going to recover itself. Now, there is some speculation that we might just go into a downtrend. I'm going to stay optimistic here. Although I predicted the market correction, but I do still think that with all this stimulus coming in, there's still some positive left. But there's many things that can still add more negative to this trend. It's very confusing. It's very confusing right now. And like I said a little bit earlier, it makes you kind of depressed as an investor because you're confused. Okay, my Bitcoin going down, my gold going down, my stocks going down. What the hell what can I get right? Hang in there, my people. Hang in there, because this is what they want. They want you to sell so that they have more. The top 10% own about 80% of the stocks. Top 10%. Keep that in mind. Top 10% own 80% of the stocks. I'm just saying, they holding. Some, like ARK, Kathy Woods, buying more technology. You got to find the opportunity. There's plenty of opportunities, so make sure you pay attention to my other videos coming out this week. I'm talking about some stocks that you should be looking at, so make sure you pay attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you're interested in joining the stocks group chat, shoot me a DM above, and I will get you all the details needed. I appreciate you all for watching. Stay fly, stay fresh. Hey, maybe the market gonna come back. I'm gonna start dressing up even more now. Have a good day.